Hi friends, so we just added 100 new starter templates to the website and you can access them all on our hub page when you click on Planify Pro starter template. Here you will find all kinds of planners such as calendars, daily planners. You will also find finance trackers, finance planners, as well as health planners. Then we have meal planners and monthly templates, as well as notes pages, trackers, lists, and you will also find weekly templates and then also workout planners, and you can all use them commercially or personally. You can use these templates as a starter template, meaning if you like a template you see, you can click on it and then you can further apply changes to it, such as you can change the styling, the color, you can change the text, the fonts. Or a quicker way would be to go to your My Style panel and then apply one of your saved stylings. So if you already saved a few of your personal styles, you can click on them and this will apply the styling automatically to the template. So this is a huge time saver. So I recommend you, if you haven't yet, to save a few of your favorite styles so you can work faster. Then besides changing the styling, you can also further adjust the layout, so you can also make the rows or the columns bigger or smaller. You can also move things around, or you can also add columns and rows. So if you want to add additional notes pages or a notes widget below, you can do that as well, for example like this. And then maybe also change the header names to something new, so you can fully customize it. And then once you're happy, just click on Save Export and then export your template. So all these templates here are also great if you're a new seller and you don't know what to create or what to add to your shop. So if you're new to selling templates, you can just come here onto this page, then pick a template, further customize it and then export it, and this will save you a ton of time so you don't have to recreate them from scratch. So if you're a seller, I really recommend you to come here onto this starter template page and check out all the templates we have. You can use them as a way to brainstorm and to get more ideas on what to add to your shop. If you already like how it looks like, if you like the neutral styling, you can also just use it as is and then export it and sell it in your shop. So all templates you see here on Planify Pro, if they are made by us, you can use them as is. You can, but you don't have to further adjust or customize them. So this was the starter template page. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram or Facebook and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!